Okay, so hello everyone. My name is Mui Kaiser. So today I'll be teaching you all about how to control the rotation angle of servo model using potentiometer through Tinkercad. There are a few components that we'll be using today. So the first one is the Arduino Uno. So ini adalah satu microcontroller dan dia adalah low cost, easy to use and programmable. So this board dia boleh buat tugas-tugas yang bijak lah. You boleh program dia untuk buat tugas yang bijak. So and then the next one will be the potentiometer. So this potentiometer will be the input for our circuit. So potentiometer ni dia provide rintangan yang boleh tukar, and then nilai rintangan tersebut akan dibaca ke dalam Arduino Uno, and then nilai itu akan determine the rotation of servo motor. Okay, so we will look into deeper on this later. And seterusnya servo motor. So servo motor ni adalah output bagi circuit kita hari ini. So servo motor ini adalah satu device that has an output shaft. So the shaft can be positioned to a specific angle by providing the servo a coded signal. So what is the coded signal I'm speaking about here? So the coded signal will be based on the value input from the potentiometer. Okay, yang saya sebut tadi. Okay, potentiometer tu akan provide nilai input kepada servo motor, dan servo motor akan react dengan nilai yang dibagi oleh potentiometer ini. So what are we going to accomplish today? What are we going to accomplish after I teach you? So the first one, kita akan buat satu circuit using Arduino board, servo motor and potentiometer. Kita juga akan belajar untuk program Arduino board itu dengan gunakan block coding. So apakah block coding itu? Block coding itu satu cara untuk code, tapi you tidak perlu tuliskan semua code. Dia ada block yang telah sedia ada, dan block itu sebenarnya adalah code. So you just drag and drop those block and then gabungkan semua block itu, and so you can have your very own program, and it is very easy to use and beginner friendly for you all. Okay, and last but not least, we will learn to control the rotation of servo motor arm using potentiometer, and kita hanya perlukan satu line je block code. So okay, so this is basically what we will be achieving today. Okay, so without further ado, let's get our hands dirty. Click the link below and we will head to Tinkercad website. See you there. Okay, so this is the Tinkercad website, and langkah pertama you gonna create your account first, and after you create your account, tekan circuits and then tekan create new circuit. It takes some time to load. Okay, so yeah, we finally arrived at the Tinkercad workspace here. Okay, so langkah pertama kita akan cari semua komponen yang kita nak first, and then put all the components we need in the workspace right here. So we just find Arduino, we pass to potentiometer, yeah, this one, drag and drop, and then the last one, servo, yeah, just this one, micro servo. Okay, next thing we are going to do is to sambungkan kedua-dua komponen ini kepada Arduino board. Okay, so we will go for servo meter first. So kita boleh nampak dia ada 3 kaki ground, power and signal. So kita akan sambungkan ground ni ke ground pin is this one right here. Okay, after that we will be connecting the power through a 5-volt pin right here, 5-volt. And then the last one will be the signal pin. So kita akan tarik yang punya wire, and usually we will put it here, pin 9. Okay, the next thing will be is connecting this potentiometer to Arduino board. So as it's a little bit hard to connect like this, so I will just rotate it by pressing R. Okay, so there are three pins here. The first one, terminal 1, and then wiper and terminal 2. So we'll be connecting terminal 1 to ground, terminal 2 to the 5-volt, and then the last one, wiper, kita akan connect to this A0. Okay, so kita dah siap sambungkan kedua-dua komponen ni kepada Arduino board lah. So langkah seterusnya kita akan tukarkan warna wire ini. So kerana kita nak differentiatekan dia punya purpose of wire. So for ground, usually we'll be using black color. Okay, and for the power, we usually will be using red. So kita akan do the same thing for potentiometer. Ground, black color, yep. And the last one we'll just leave it there. Okay, so kita dah siap gabungkan connect circuit ini. Okay, so after that we will start to program the Arduino board. So click the code right here to open the code editor. Okay, so inilah coding environment bagi block coding, and semua blok-blok ini adalah apa yang saya sebutkan tadi, dia adalah like code yang telah sedia ada dalam bentuk block. Okay, so the first one, sebab kita baca nilai analog, so kita akan pergi ke input and then cari read analog. Yeah, this one. Look, all you need to do is just click on the block, drag and drop it in the coding environment right here. Yep, it's just as simple as that. So that's why I tell you it is beginner friendly and very easy to use. And seterusnya pergi ke output, cari rotate servo, yeah, this one, put it here. Okay, so di sini I nak explain satu benda. So sebab analog pin ini dia baca nilai dari 0 ke 1023, tapi servo motor ini cuma faham nilai dari 0 ke 180. So untuk jadikan servo motor ini faham apakah input itu daripada potentiometer, so we kena jadikan range 0 ke 1023 itu kepada 0 to 180. Okay, so we will go to math and pick this function. Okay, so what will this block do is to map whatever value here to the range of 0 to 180. Okay, so yeah, so that's all the block we need. So seterusnya kita akan gabungkan semua blok ini untuk jadikan dia satu program yang boleh control angle of rotation bagi servo motor ini. Okay, the first one, blok ini akan simpan whatever nilai yang dibaca daripada potentiometer. So ingat apa yang saya sebutkan tadi, you kena tukar nilai itu kepada range 0 kepada 180. So I will drag this block into this block function right here. So now the value has been turned into a range of 0 to 180. Cool. And the next step is click this 0 and then choose for 9. Sebab kita connectkan signal kaki ini kepada pin 9. And the very last step is to drop this block into the 0 right there. Okay, let me just quickly adjust this one to have a better view. Okay, so maksud block ini ialah pusingkan servo kat pin 9 kepada nilai yang dibaca oleh potentiometer dalam unit degrees. Okay, so kita sudah siap program the Arduino board. So let us close the code section and then click start simulation. Okay, so kita tekan dia punya wiper and then you can start to turn. As you can see, as you turn the wiper to the maximum, the servo motor arm actually move from 0 degree to 180 degree. Yeah. So I'm basically controlling the servo meter arm using, I'm controlling the servo motor arm using potentiometer. And you can think of this like, it is like you are controlling a robotic arm where this is the controller and this is like the arm of a robot. Okay, so basically this is the end of my presentation, and so thank you everyone, terima kasih, and see you next time. Bye bye.